Meaning of Duncan Hines.
Duncan Hines.
Duncan Hines.
Duncan Hines.
Duncan Hines. Duncan Hines is a brand name that is primarily associated with baking mixes, frostings, and other dessert-related food products. The company was named after the man who created it, Duncan Hines, who was an American salesman and food critic in the mid-20th century. Today, Duncan Hines is owned by Conagra Foods Incorporated, and its products are sold in grocery stores across the United States and beyond. The brand is known for its convenience, quality, and wide variety of flavors and options, making it a popular choice for home bakers and dessert enthusiasts alike.